Hi everyone, so I bought a new battery for the VOGE 900 and I charged it with the slow charger 0.3 amps for like 16 hours, and now let's test it with this battery tester. So it's blinking the 12 volts, we accept it. By the way, this is from AliExpress. Now it wants the cold cranking amps, which is here, although the CCA is not written there, but you can download the technical data sheet of the battery online, and that's the good value. So let's go down to 215, push OK. 263 cold cramping amps, because we are in 20 degrees, not at minus 18, so we are good. Now the type of the battery is Varta AGM, and you need this number because this number they changed it. It used to be a YT and the YT here, but now it's only the T, and this is the number you need. There might be additional numbers depending on your country. So this 9-digit is what is interesting. 12 volt, 12 amp hours, and good cold cranking amps. If the battery doesn't specify cold cranking amps but hours, so like 10 hours, then it's not a battery for a motorcycle, it's a battery for whatever, and it's not going to be good. Now, depending on your dealer, this battery, it comes either pre-filled with acid, or you have to fill it. It's simple. In the EU it will come pre-filled most likely. Now this is the only battery I could find which is 12 amp hours and it's 13 centimeters in height. Actually it could be the depths could be larger, so when you mount it in the bike you will need a foam plate to go behind or in front. There, according to my research, extensive research, there is one other battery which is for motorcycles. It's by Bosch. I think it's called the MA6010, but it's not produced anymore. They have similar versions, so with these codes, like with the Y in front, like the FA6, but they are taller. So because the BMW F850 GS can accommodate a higher battery, but not the VOGE. On the pegs out.